Chairman Sir, Director Academics Ma'am, Principal, HMs, teachers, young scientists, students, parents and other ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all for this prestigious event, Vigyan 2021. I am so happy to see so many young scientists of Velamal are ready to showcase their innovation and talent to the world. Vigyan 2021 is a great occasion and a platform for the students to share their ideas and could exchange thoughts towards great discoveries. Since 1986, Velamal has been a great inspiration for so many minds and helped them bring out their initiate talent, and today, even after 35 years, we are here to make history with the same passion and determination. Vigyan offers a precious opportunity to the students to showcase their achievement, which can motivate them to further their pursuit of scientific knowledge. Here, I would like to express my deep thanks to the efforts taken by the management to overwhelm the students' life with success. On this note, once again, I welcome you all for Vigyan 2021. Thank you.
Music resembles poetry in nature numerous graces which no methods teach, and a master's hand alone can reach. It washes away dust of everyday life from the soul. Prayer works wonders. Prayer should spring from the heart. Thinking of supreme power behind all human adequacies is a kind of auto-suggestion.
Mahaganapatim Shri Mahaganapatim Shri Mahaganapatim Shri Mahaganapatim Smarami Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Vasishta Vamadevai Vandita Mahaganapatim Mahadeva Sudam Mahadeva Sudam Guru Guhanutam Mahadeva Sudam Guru Guhanutam Marakoti Prakasham Shantam Marakoti Prakasham Shantam Mahakavya Natakadipriyam Mahakavya Natakadipriyam Moshikavahana Mogana Priyam Mahakavya Natakadipriyam Moshikavahana Mogana Priyam Mahaganapatim Shri Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami Mahaganapatim.
Thank you, Heavenly Angels, for letting the goodness spark to spiritual chain reactions with your angelic voice.
Dance by definition is rhythmic movement to music, using prescribed and improvised steps and gestures, but its actual meaning transcends the definition into a spiritual activity in a physical form. Let's glorify the Lord Almighty through the glorious entry of the spiritual dance team.
Ganesha அழகுடன் நாடிடும் மறைமுக தோகாரூபதி அழகுடன் நாடிடும் மறைமுக தோகாரூபதி
Thank you. That was a delightful dance that added the auspicious twilight of a special Rotary program.
Now is the time to honor the achievers whose hard work, perseverance and consistent effort has brought them accolades. Today they stand before you as the epitome of success. Let us now take the moment to acknowledge them and take this movement to the next level of fame.
Stories create community, enables us to see through the eyes of the other people and opens us to the claims of others. And here I take immense pleasure in announcing the names of the young storytellers. The champion of this event is Samiksha from BBC Theni.
We entered the black hole! Boom! We raced in the galaxy! What is this, Dora? This is our solar system! It has only the Earth and the 8 planets!
The first prize goes to Mishika Dugar from VBC Vedur.
Beautiful fairy lakes, and I started to fly up the tall buildings, mountains, valleys, and I finally reached the blue sky.
The second prize goes to Pritish from VBC Teni.
I'm in the most famous sunset today. I'm visiting the jungle to catch or lion. Yes, alive. I'm not scared. I'm not at all scared.
The second prize goes to Mitra from VBC Tanjavur.
First of all, I saw the place is completely silent. Leaves are slithering surrounding me.
The third prize goes to Inira Mariam from VBC Virganur.
Hearing that? Yeah, from now, one elephant. That's Daddy,
The special prize goes to Shakti Balan from VBC Kolapakam.
We traveled to the forest for the whole day and the whole night. It's very cold in the morning. All around us, there are tall grasses covered in a thick blanket of fog.
The consolation prize goes to Aradhana from Metric Ponneri.
There was a boy named Turam who loved to play with toys like aeroplane, rocket, and spaceship. One day asked his Mama, I want to travel in a rocket. Can you please take me to space?
The consolation prize goes to Fazila Fayaz from VBC Trichy.
Engine and wait for the elephant go down in the mountain. He heard a lion roar. He was happy.
Being creative is not a hobby, it is a way of life. Yes, VLML proud to acknowledge the young artist in you. For level 1 event to art and craft, the first prize goes to Jeeva Yalini, Metric Ponneri. The second prize goes to Lakshit from VBC Teni. The third prize goes to Prithvin Sai from Metric Thirupuvanam. Special prize goes to Shriyans from VBC Kolapakam. Krishiv from VBC Kanchipuram has won the consolation prize. Vyas from Metric Thirupuram has won the consolation prize. Inuya Shri from Metric Theni has won the consolation prize.
The last event of level 1 is fancy dress. The first prize is awarded to Akasmo of VRS Ladanendal. The second prize is awarded to Netha Raj of VBC Teni.
Welcome to the Solar Family. We're a big family. Let's meet our family members. She's Rashmi. The first stand.
The second prize is awarded to Subiksha of Ology Tech School.
8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. All the planets are round like a ball.
The third prize is awarded to Apquara of Metric Ponneri.
Includes Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Many of you might be wondering, why haven't I taken the name of Pluto?
The special prize is awarded to Tanmaya Dinesh of VBC Kolapakam. Joshua William Dehamahi of VBC Kanchipuram is awarded the consolation prize.
Planets: Neptune, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Uranus and Neptune.
Hashwant of VBC Kumbakonam is awarded the consolation prize. Ziana of VBC Kumbakonam is awarded the consolation prize.
The winners in life think constantly in terms of I can, I will, and I am. I would like to present the achievers of the Level 2 Miniature Edifice. The champion of this event is Savin Sahana from VBC Kanchipuram.
Computers do not have electronic parts or voice commands that will instruct us. It is bio.
The second prize goes to Jotham Kumar Manuel from Ology Tech School.
This is autopilot. This is antenna. I send data.
The third prize goes to Sana from VBC Viraganur.
A magnet has two poles, North Pole and the South Pole. A force of magnet called a magnetism.
The third prize goes to Riaz Ahmed from Metric Ponneri.
Invisible water bottle stick and paste the radio and put it in the cardboard hole.
The third prize goes to Midushana from VBC Theni.
Cardboard piece and I have attached two arms to it. One is a negative terminal, another has a positive terminal.
The special prize goes to Tejashri from VBC Kolapakam.
First, I am going to fix a motor in the base.
The special prize goes to Ahmed Nafis from VBC Kolapakam.
Take the cut piece and fold it like this to make a triangle. Now apply glue. Paste it here.
The consolation prize goes to Sangamitra from Metric Ponneri.
Now I am going to do fix the wheels.
The consolation prize goes to Samyukta from VRS Landanandil.
Hydraulic. When we come up, the hydraulic will be 0%. So the gravity will push the toy.
The consolation prize goes to Derwin from VBC Kanchipuram.
Made up of card, which is eco-friendly. We can easily handle this type of project.
The next event, Level 2 Oratorical Contest, the first place goes to Madhuksara Suresh from Ology Tech School.
We humans, along with many other creatures in the world, need oxygen and air we breathe to stay alive.
Parthi from BBC Theni has won the second prize.
For the supply of oxygen to the earth. So as a prize, per day, a single person needs 550 liters of oxygen.
Vitun Sarvesh from VBC Thanjavur has won the second prize.
Oxygen is not only made by trees alone. It is made by factories by the fractional distillation of liquefied air.
Reshan from BBC Viranganur has won the third prize.
Inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, which is called as respiration. Plants take carbon dioxide and releases oxygen to atmosphere.
Sam Rajashekar from BBC Kolapakam has won the special prize.
All living beings need oxygen to survive and grow. It helps in the smooth functioning of their body. Moreover, keeps them healthy and fit. We need to consider
Ritvika Poti from BBC Kolapakam has won the special prize.
a wonderful opportunity to be able to share my few insights about the need of the earth and need of the world. Oxygen, a lifesaver.
Adav from BBC Coimbatore has won the consolation prize. Mitish from BBC Anupanadi has won the consolation prize.
Humans, along with other mammals, require oxygen necessarily. Even the cells in our body need oxygen.
The final event of level 2 is the prototype of ecosystem. The first prize is awarded to Arav of VBC Theni.
Two major types of aquatic ecosystem. One is lentic ecosystem, the another one is aquatic ecosystem. Lentic ecosystem refers to an aquatic ecosystem.
The second prize is awarded to Alakananda of Ology Tech School.
Interact with each other to form the forest ecosystem. Living things grouped as producers, consumers, and decomposers.
The second prize is awarded to Nakshatra of Ology Tech School.
System is independent complex. An ecosystem is a community of plants and animals interacting with the environment.
The third prize is awarded to Pranhav of VBC Theni. The special prize is won by Mithun of VBC Kolapakam.
To protect the ecosystem, we should plant more trees, do not cut the trees, care animals.
Kachi Manaswini of VBC Kolapakam has won the special prize.
This is America habitats. That is like saying it's only rain 3 or 4 days in a year. Deserts cover at least 20%.
Pooja Shri of Metric Puneri has won the consolation prize.
Just one type of desert ecosystem, hot desert. Hot desert can be found close to the equator. The Sahara is a good example of.
Karthik Shivaram of VBC Tanjavur has won the consolation prize.
Let us to understand how they are interdependent. It contains biotic factor like plants and animals, abiotic factor like soil, sunlight, water, air, etc. Here
Nikhil Jalani of VRS Latinendal has won the consolation prize.
acting as both predator and prey. Reef is also home to variety of worms, lobster, crab and starfish. The product
Learn to recreate a totally new art form from the available ways around you. Yes, Junkbot takes you to make a leap to fix your mind and all. Artistic form from the waste abound. Level 3 first event Junkbot, and the winners are first prize goes to Kirtana from VBC Theni. Second place goes to Dayada Bora from VRS Ladanandal. Third prize goes to Danshika Devi from Metric Viraganur. Consolation prize goes to Puneet from VBC Coimbatore. Consolation prize goes to Mikil from VBC Trichy.
The second event of level 3 is project display. The first prize is awarded to Saliha of VBC Viraganur.
inside the container, pressure increased and the steam comes out of the container in one direction and the container rotates in opposite direction. This is a small experiment for this principle.
The second prize is awarded to Delisha Babu of TVIS International.
The left hand is my hand. It goes up. Utility values. The most important utility values are it saves time is the cause.
The third prize is awarded to Devi Shri of VBC Tanjavur.
C. The electric motor rotates clockwise direction. The cabin will move up. C. The electric motor will rotate anti-clockwise direction. The cabin will move down. Thank you.
Monish Gupta of VBC Teni is being awarded the third prize.
Let's start our launching. Put some sodium bicarbonate. Pour some vinegar. Sodium bicarbonate, when reacts with dilute acetic acid, carbon dioxide gas is produced. We use the physical principle of Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.
Sugant of VBC Kolapakam has won the special prize.
The rocket works on the principle of using the chemical potassium nitrate and sugar. Wow, how it works! The potassium nitrate is also used for many products such as medical purposes and crackers, gunpowders, and also used as a type of fertilizer. Thank you.
Nauren of VBC Kolapakam has won the special prize.
Electrical energy is converted into intermediate kinetic energy to gravitational potential energy. Application of this project. The electric lift is used in many areas like industries, railway station, airports, etc.
Haris of VBC Kumbakonam has won the consolation prize.
My rocket works. Action and reaction concept. Inside the bottle I put body spray. So when I am using lighter and fire near the hole, the bottle goes up.
Tarun Kumar of VBC Kanjipuram has won the consolation prize.
Function of rocket. A rocket are now used for fireworks, weaponry, ejection seats, launch vehicles for artificial satellites, human space flight and space exploration. Thank you.
The last event of level 3 is science experiment. Manju Shri from Metric Puneri won the first prize.
So friends, now I will tell you how it works. The oil floats on top of the water because it is less dense or lighter than water. The food coloring has the same density as the water, so it sinks to the oil and mixes with the water.
Second prize goes to Midul Subu from VBC Trichy.
It is a wonderful demonstration about density. Oil is lighter than water and floats on the top of the water layer. Diffusion is also evident as the food coloring mixes with the water in colorful swirls.
Third prize goes to Suryan from VBC Veraganur.
I have used two different liquids, vegetable oil and vinegar. Vinegar is more denser than the oil. When I pour vinegar, it sinks to the bottom. When it's heated up with the help of light, it expands and it loses its density.
Special prize goes to Satvika from VBC Kolapakam.
In this experiment, we use zinc and copper which acts as the electrode and the juice inside the fruit which acts as the electrolyte that conducts electricity. We need fruits, zinc strips, copper strips, wires and LED bulb. Wow! See how beautifully it lights up.
Special prize goes to Harshita from TVIS Vidyalaya Ponneri.
The reason behind this activity is density. Density is the amount of mass per unit of volume. If one object is heavier, then it is denser. If one object is lighter, then it is less dense.
Consolation prize goes to Nathan from VBC Vellur.
Now, God is ready to go! Conclusion. We created a balloon-powered car of recyclable materials. We tested speed over length with conversion energies.
Consolation prize goes to Jonah Juliet from Metric Ponneri.
Science behind this experiment is all about the energy. When the balloon is inflated, it stores the compressed air and stretched rubber as potential energy
out of the bulb, the potential energy will convert it into kinetic energy.
Quality performance starts with a positive attitude. Now I would like to announce the achievers of Level 4 First Event Project Display. The first prize is awarded to Sonu of Ology Tech School.
Now I have connected all the circuit works and now I am pouring sanitizer in it. Now I have connected the cable.
Nityashri of VBC Kanchipuram is awarded the first prize.
I fixed all this component with the help of double-side tape. I made 2 holes. One is big hole and one is small hole. The big hole is for water hose and the small hole is for the 5-volt water.
Rashmika of VBC Theni is awarded the first prize.
Measure our surface temperature of the body and send a message to the solenoid valves and to the LCD display. If the temperature is normal, the solenoid valves will.
Timothy Jace from VBC Theni is awarded the second prize.
Automatic railway gate is ready.
Kavin from VBC Tanjavur is awarded the third prize.
So, I have power supply and I am going without using it. You may hear it. Oh, yes, I should use it.
Rishi of VBC Kolapakam is awarded the special prize.
Let's also connect our ultrasonic sensor and power up the Arduino using the USB cable. Using glue gun, let's attach ultrasonic sensor to the lid of the basket. Now, the important part.
Dirya Mittal of TVIS Vidyalaya Punneri is awarded the special prize.
Advantages of this machine are dimension of access inside the gate.
Lokesh Sai of VBC Punneri is awarded the consolation prize.
This is the water bottle pump which serves first inside the sanitizer. This is the tube which is coming from inside the water bottle and which is coming.
Rashmika of VBC Anupanadi is awarded the consolation prize.
Bench and a tube and a washing cloth bottle and sanitizer bottle. The first main thing.
Next, Level 4 Second Event Innovative Presentation. First prize goes to Sanjit, VBC Kanchipuram.
Suitable for consumption and other purposes. Food industry. Food production contributes to climate change as acid rain as well as the depletion of the biodiversity.
Second prize goes to Danyashri from VBC Tanjavur.
Industrial pollution is only created by the human beings and affected to the human beings. So we have to fulfill our needs only, not our demand and for.
Third prize goes to Jerick Dalino from VRS Ladanindal.
Bones of animal was used to make tools and weapons for hunt the food. And then some of the invention in this period was fire, stone spear, and then
Special prize goes to Sangamitra from VBC Kolapakam.
Eukaryotes are the living organisms which have advanced type of cell where they have well-developed nucleus over membrane-bound cell organelles.
Consolation prize goes to Sarveesan from VRS Ladanindal.
all life on Earth fit schedule 3 bits: archaea, bacteria, and eukaryotes. The first two brings are single-celled microbe and the third includes animals, plants.
Consolation prize goes to Akshan Balasubramani from VBC Dindigul.
Lives in areas with poor air quality levels. There are 4 types of industrial pollution: air, water, land and noise. Now,
Consolation prize goes to Anjana from TVIS International.
Drones are more formally known as unmanned aerial vehicles or unmanned aircraft systems. Essentially, a drone is a flying robot that can.
Level 4 Last Event Experiential Activity. The first prize goes to Sahana Shri from VBC Theni.
Esophagus, stomach. Small intestine. Large intestine.
The second prize goes to Ilamadi Vairavan from VBC Theni.
Condensation and precipitation. Melting cloud. When the water vapor reaches up in the sky, it changes into a tiny droplets of water.
The third prize goes to Hari Prasanna from VBC Erode.
The special prize is awarded to Salai Virugandhan of VBC Kolapakam.
The consolation prize goes to Shivaram from Ology Tech School. Consolation prize goes to Gauri Shri from VBC Viruganur.
The candle fire will cut off the thread line and create a disturbance where the ball is placed. The ball will move down and follow.
The only way to discover the limits of the possibility is to go beyond them, into the impossible. Project Display model provides a fertile ground to learn and create. Level 1 Project Display first prize goes to Pranav from Metric Teni.
Automatic line following robotic bus.
For this, I have used some of the things. Let's see how it works.
Second prize goes to Ahmed Hazir from BBC E-Road.
Turn it to its right, then descend it.
Third prize goes to Kavya Priya from Metric Poneri.
This is Arduino UNO, motor driver, batteries, jumping wires. And when you move your hand to the right side of the robot, it moves in the right side direction.
Third prize goes to Emmanuel from Ology Tech School.
Black line. The rays will get absorbed, which results in 0 unit where there will be no energy. That is,
Special prize goes to Rudrashri from VBC Kolapakam.
Invented by George Brahman along with his team, William George Armstrong.
Special prize goes to Saramana from TVAS Vidyalaya Poneri.
Hydraulic. We all know that hydro means water. Say like that.
Consolation prize goes to Rohit Babu from VBC Anupanadi.
Pascal's law, pressure at point in a fluid is equal in all directions.
Consolation prize goes to Sanjit from BBC.
Station point. So now I am going to demonstrate my robotic arms work. By moving second syringe, my robotic arm is going to down and forward.
The second event of level 5 is science experiments. The first prize is awarded to Deena Dalayan of VBC Viruganur.
And we used to clip the plants in the water to keep them fresh. I have an observation with a 2 glass filled it with the different colors of water and I leave a leaf inside for 1 day.
The second prize is awarded to Rakshan of VBC Teni.
The reason I have chose to use coco peat is because coco peat is cost efficient. Coco peat is vastly found in many parts of India and used coco peat can be used as manures.
The third prize goes to Miraculin Danam of VBC Vellore.
Designate. It is expected that 95% of our food is directly or indirectly made of our soil. Fast growing population and urban population.
Janavi of Metric Poneri is awarded with consolation prize.
All over the plants. And this is my third experiment. So it is really when we pour some water in the roots of the plants, it is.
Divya Priyadarshini of Metric Poneri is awarded with consolation prize.
Nothing but inability of the body to change the state of motion so that the ball moves constantly over here.
The last event of level 5 is the quiz competition. The first prize is awarded to Monisha of VBC Teni. The second prize is awarded to Pranaya Prema Ruban of VBC Teni. The third prize is awarded to Sahana of VBC Coimbatore.
Here is a memorable moment
for our students of Velamal Bodhi Campus Kolapakam for securing special prize in all the categories.
Here is a memorable moment for our students of TVIS Velamal Vidyalaya Ponneri for securing special prizes in all the categories.
We are glad to announce the runner-up champions of Vigyan 2021. Let's give a huge applause for the students of Metric Ponneri for bagging the runner-up trophy. Congratulations, friends.
Last but not the least, it's time to announce the winners of Vigyan 2021.
We truly appreciate your hard work and effort that you have put in for the preparation to participate in this event.
Let's hold our seatbelts and put an end to this nail-biting moment.
And the championship trophy goes to...
Let's put our hands together for the winners of Vigyan 2021. The championship trophy goes to Velamal Bodhi Campus, Theni. Congratulations, my dear friends. The most important thing is that you took the challenge and dared to face such fierce competition. So, I would say everyone is a winner here. Let us give a big round of applause for all our participants.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All is well that ends well. My words go incomplete if I fail to thank. Yes, thank you. The most beautiful words to express our sincere gratitude. I now call upon Ms. Mahashri Varshini to render the word of thanks.
Respected Chairman Sir, Director Sir, Director Academics Ma'am, Principals, Vice Principals, HMs, teachers, young scientists, students, parents and other ladies and gentlemen. My heartfelt thanks to everyone for making Vigyan 2021 a grand success. We all know science can change the future, and the future of a society lies in the hands of the aspiring young people like us. Young people who can innovate, cooperate with others and stay resilient will be able to rise up to the challenges and make Earth a better place. Yes, Velamal has been into this noble process and provides all possible spaces for the brimming buds. At this point, I want to convey my special thanks to the management for providing us such platforms, giving us training and appreciating us in all we do. On this note, I wish you all the best in your adventure in the world of science. Once again, I thank one and all. Thank you.
Bodhi Campus 8680983000.